Hello my tribe and welcome to my channel Nifty Nehal. This is Neha here and आज का वीडियो एक impromptu unplanned video है, something that came to my mind right now and I just pulled out my camera and started recording it. Basically we have to go out somewhere and I was feeling extremely lazy to get ready, to dress up, to put on makeup. So I thought I should capture a video and share it with you guys that जब मेरा ज़्यादा रेडी होने का मन नहीं होता है तो how exactly I dress up and do bare minimum kind of a makeup in just 5 to 10 minutes because trust me, it's very important for me to look presentable, to look decent and put together, so that is important. So this video might be helpful for you people who have to go out on a daily basis, if you go to college, if you go to office on a regular basis and you do not have time to pull out tons and tons of makeup items and give those 15-20 minutes in the morning और आपके पास hardly 5-10 minutes होते हैं. So I am just gonna share मैं कैसे quickly 5-10 minutes में ready होती हूँ using some very simple basic makeup items. If you are interested in watching such a video, then please join in. So let's start with the basic. Whether we are doing intense makeup or simple makeup, whatever, taking care of your skin and moisturizing it well is very important. So I'm gonna start with moisturizing and I will be using this oil from Plum. This is their grapeseed and sea buckthorn oil, and this is one of my favorite facial oils and I've been using it for quite some time. So I am just gonna drench my skin into it. मैं 2-3 drops लेके I'll warm the product in my hand and I'm just gonna press it into my skin. That's it. So once my skin is moisturized and hydrated, I am also gonna moisturize my lips. I am using this one from Nykaa. This is a lip balm. Just gonna coat my lips using this and that's it. So let's start with the makeup things. अगर मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा मेकअप नहीं करना है, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा लेयर अप नहीं करना चाहती हूँ तो I use something like a BB or a CC cream. I either use a BB cream from Pond's. This is their basic BB cream. Again, this is available I think in 2 or 3 shades. Or I also use this CC cream from Lakme. So I keep switching between these two products. For today I feel I will be using this one from Lakme. I will be taking very little bit of this product and इसे मैं fingers से अपने face पे I'm gonna dot it out. These BB and CC creams are very easy to use. बहुत heavy नहीं लगती हैं face पे and the best part is that you do not need a brush or a makeup sponge to spread it. The best way to spread is using your fingers. So because the face is really moisturized well, तो ये सारा product बहुत आसानी से glides onto your skin and I'm just gonna spread it around on my face. We are not looking for too much of coverage and the best part about these BB and CC creams is also that in ये SPF के साथ आती हैं. This one from Lakme is SPF 30 and PA++, so that's amazing. You do not need to put a separate SPF का layer अगर आपके पास time नहीं है और आप जल्दी से ready होना चाहते हो तो you can use one product and वो दोनों चीज़ें आपके लिए solve कर देगा. So that's it. So the base is done. It was very easy, just one product and I'll just show you a close-up. This is how my skin looks after I've applied the CC cream. It has not given me much of a coverage, but it just given me a little bit of even tone, which is what we need. My dark patches and everything is still showing off. You can see my pimple from here, everything, but that's fine. That is a natural, like that look that we want on a daily basis and I'm happy with that. Moving on, I am going to be doing my eyebrows. For that, I'm be using this one. This is an eyebrow powder from Rimmel. I'm just going to be filling my eyebrows using it, and I'm not shaping up or nothing. I'm just filling up the sparse areas. So yeah, this powder is very easy to use. You don't need to be very precise because you're just moving the brush inside your eyebrow shape. You're not shaping it separately. So just 2 minutes, doesn't need much of your time, and that's it. I feel shaping up your eyebrows and filling them up a little bit really defines and gives a proper structure to your face. So I cannot and I do not really avoid doing my eyebrows. So we are done with the eyebrows now. Moving on to the next product, I will be using a lip and cheek tint. I'm using this one from Just Herbs. This is their lip and cheek tint. You can use it with your fingers, you can use it with a brush, and I am using a blush on because I feel whenever you apply a BB or a CC cream or a foundation or anything, it just makes your face completely flat and blank. So it's very important to add on a little bit of color. So I will be using this. I'm using my brush. I'm dipping my brush into it, and I'm very gently and slightly applying it onto my cheeks. Yeah. That's it. The next thing is I will be using the same blush on my eyelids also. So I'm taking a smaller brush and I am using the same color as my eyeshadow also. So that's it. Next important thing that I cannot do without is a mascara. Many of us tend to not value or use mascara, but trust me, it adds a lot of value to the entire look. You tend to get used to it, and it's very easy. You don't have to overdo it. Just coating your lashes a little bit makes a lot of difference. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be using this one from Maybelline. This is a very old bottle. You can see even the write-up has vanished. So this is the Lash Sensational Mascara from Maybelline. I'm gonna be coating my lashes with it. I don't know whether you can see or not, but there's a lot of difference between both of my eyes. This eye looks a little bit of more highlighted, and this one looks really dull. So this is the kind of difference that a mascara makes. So mascara is done. Last thing left is lipstick, and I'm not going to be using a lipstick today. Instead, I will be using a lip liner. I'll be using this one from K Beauty. This is in the shade Fame, and this is a dark brown lip color. I will be lining my lips using this, and with the same lip liner I'll also be filling them in a little bit. Done. Using a lip liner gives a very soft and a natural kind of a color to your lips. It doesn't look too much out there, and that is what I like. And this is the final look. It also it's not too much of makeup. It doesn't look too heavy. It looks very natural, very light, and I'm liking the effect of blush on my cheeks and the same color coordination going on my eyes. So using your blush as an eyeshadow is an amazing thing to do. Very easy. We barely used around 5 makeup items and we achieved this look. Let me know how did you like today's video, and thank you so much for joining in till the end. For those of you who haven't yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a video. And do send in comments about what kind of videos do you wish to see. Otherwise, I am going to be making such videos. जब भी मुझे कोई random idea आएगा, I can make a video and share it with you. Just to let you know, I have some amazing ideas in my mind and some very beautiful, amazing, interesting videos coming your way. So be on the lookout. Thank you for today and see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.